How to lose last bit of belly fat. Losing the last bit of belly fat can be one of the toughest challenges during weight loss. While many have made great progress, the final layer around the abdomen often lingers. To shed this stubborn fat, a combination of healthy habits and smart strategies is needed. Here's a simpler guide to help you lose that last bit of belly fat. 1. Refine your diet, focus on whole, unprocessed foods. Cut back on refined sugars and carbs, as they contribute to belly fat. Include more fiber-rich foods like vegetables, fruits, and whole grains to improve digestion and keep you full longer. 2. Strength training. Building muscle helps burn more calories, even when you're not working out. Include exercises like squats, lunges, and deadlifts to target multiple muscle groups and increase metabolism. 3. Try HIIT workouts. High-intensity interval training is a great way to burn fat fast. This workout alternates between short bursts of intense exercise and periods of rest. It can help target belly fat more effectively than steady-state cardio. 4. Manage stress. Stress leads to high cortisol levels, which can cause belly fat storage. Practice stress-reducing activities like meditation, yoga, or deep breathing to lower cortisol and improve fat loss. 5. Get enough sleep. Lack of sleep can disrupt metabolism and hunger hormones, making it harder to lose fat. Aim for 7 to 9 hours of quality sleep each night to help your body burn fat efficiently. 6. Increase protein intake. Protein helps build muscle and burn fat. Include lean protein sources like chicken, fish, and beans in your meals to support fat loss and keep you satisfied longer. 7. Stay hydrated. Drinking enough water boosts metabolism and prevents overeating. Aim for at least 8 cups of water daily to stay hydrated and support fat burning. 8. Cut back on alcohol. Alcohol is high in calories and can promote belly fat. Reducing alcohol intake will help you lose stubborn fat around your midsection. 9. Stay consistent. Fat loss takes time. Stick to your exercise and diet plan consistently, and remember that gradual progress is key to losing the last bit of belly fat. 10. Seek professional help. If you're still struggling, consider getting advice from a personal trainer or dietitian. They can provide tailored recommendations to help you reach your goals more effectively. Losing the last bit of belly fat requires dedication and patience. By following these steps, you'll gradually see results and work towards a leaner, toned midsection. And always consult with your doctor to get the best recommendation. Thanks for watching.